In this video, I'm excited to show you how to personalize calls between an agent and a user using dynamic variables and metadata. Imagine an agent starting a call with a user and being able to greet them with personalized information, like their username. This is how you can make that happen. In Millis AI, we have a concept called metadata. This refers to any kind of data that you can attach to your call session. Metadata can be anything, like a username, caller name, user ID, and more. The agent uses this data to handle the call smoothly and in a personalized manner. When you add metadata to a call, it transforms into variables that you can use throughout the call flow, such as in prompts, agent messages, webhook parameters, and so forth. If, for instance, you have provided information with the key username in the metadata, then that key becomes a variable that you can use in prompts, using a specific format with curly brackets. You can integrate it into prompts, greeting lines, voicemail messages, and more. We ensure that this variable gets replaced with the data you provided, so the agent conveys exactly what you intend. That's the beauty of using metadata. Now, let's explore how you can add metadata to your call. If you're using our web SDK, you can pass metadata in a specific format. When you call the start function, you can add metadata as a key value pair to the call, enabling the option to include it in the prompt. By setting this to true, all the metadata you provide becomes part of the agent's memory, or prompt. This allows the agent to use this information during the call, providing context for the session. Another option is for outbound and inbound calls. To start an outbound call, you call our API and add metadata in the body of your outbound request. This will also become part of the session's metadata. Another option is for inbound calls. When someone calls the agent's phone number, you can capture this event using the prefetch data webhook. At the beginning of the call, we provide information like the caller's phone number, allowing you to return metadata as a webhook response. This response becomes the session's metadata. For instance, let me demonstrate with make.com. I've created a scenario involving a webhook. This webhook queries data from Airtable to fetch user information and returns it as a webhook response. The response format is JSON with a metadata key inside. This metadata is what we attach to the session, making it available to the agent. And there you have it. That's how you attach data to personalize your calls.